Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about tools. Now, these are some of my favorite tools that I really just can't live without. So I thought I'd share them with you and see what you think. And I have one special tool at the end of this video that I absolutely cannot live without. So let's get into it. First of all, I've got my pruners. Now these pruners are excellent pruners for rose bushes and plants or shrubs that have a larger circumference than what typically you would use for trimming vines and very small branches. They're great. Another tool that you might not think of as a tool are my gloves. Now these are cool job gloves, and they're wonderful. They come in different colors, and I think they come in different weights. Now these have been well used, well loved, but this is what I use for my typical gardening needs. I also have my other gloves. Now these are a little more heavy duty. They've got leather on the fingertips and on the thumb, and I use these for pruning sometimes my smaller roses and that sort of thing. They give you a little bit of extra protection. And these are my Felcos. Along those lines are my Felco Pruners. Now these are the number 2s. I'm in need of buying a different style also. But these Felco Pruners, they give you a quick latch where it connects together and it locks. And then when you go to use them, obviously I need to oil these and sharpen them. But they do come with a small little carrying case, and you can clip it onto your belt or your tool belt or whatever it is that you use. So those are super fantastic, and I use these pruners mostly for pruning, again, small branches, salvias, deadheading, that sort of thing. Now, one of the other things that I use is this hoe, and this is from Sneebauer. Now, Sneebauer has a special handle that they have, and this particular one is ash, and it's fantastic. They've got a certain style on this particular one. I believe it's called a Queen's Crown Dutch hoe, yes. And what does it say? Yes, it's a Royal Dutch hoe. So I love that. It works very well. And there you go. Now, one of the other items that I use is a drill. Now, this is my DeWalt drill, and it's got a 3-inch auger on it, which is a separate purchase, obviously, from DeWalt. And it really goes. So what it does is it will dig a hole in the ground, and then you reverse by using this button. See? You reverse to bring the auger out of the ground. So this is great for planting bulbs. It's also got a handle on it that you can attach in a number of places here. And this thing is no joke. It's wonderful. It has saved me hours and hours of back-breaking work when planting my bulbs, and I think I planted about I only planted about 150 this year, but I live on a, just a regular city lot, 40 by 110. Now, this is my Schneebauer spade, and it's a beautiful piece of equipment. As you can see, it's attached very well, and it's from the Netherlands, and they're very proud of the tools that they put together, and it's a company that's been in business for many, many years, and I trust that Schneebauer, this is going to be a lifelong hand tool that I can use for the rest of my life. I mean, it's unbelievable. But this is called the lady's spade, and this is a spade that you would use to dig in the ground when you already have a lot of other plant material around that you don't want to disturb. It's got a relatively small face to it, so it can get into tight quarters. So that's one of my favorites too. Beautifully constructed, obviously. I also have my leaf blower. I love this thing. Now, this leaf blower was a gift to me by the man, and I love it dearly. It makes excellent, easy cleanup work. Now, this is not a sponsored video for any of these tools that I'm using. I'm just showing you because I love these products. And so this is obviously battery operated. It's an Ego. I don't know, 615 CFM. I have no idea. But either way, it's got a lot of power. And it's even got a power booster. So this thing takes care of a lot of work that I would need to be doing by sweeping and any of those kinds of things. So I absolutely love that. I also have a battery operated lawnmower. I'll show you now. Now this lawnmower I picked up a couple of years ago, and I tell you what, I'm never looking back. This is a Garden Pro, and sorry about the camera. And it's got 2 batteries. I bring them inside for the winter, and they go in here, and they're 80 volt apiece. And it's got a lot of really great features. It's self-propelled, and you just start by pushing this button here, and away you go. Now the deck moves completely with one handle, down or up, however you'd like it to be. And I highly recommend this lawnmower. It's fantastic. My all-time favorite for digging is not a shovel. No, it's not a shovel. It's my digging fork. Now, this is called the Bulldog. And boy, is it ever. I absolutely love this piece of equipment. I use it for almost everything, from perennials, annuals, trees, roses, you name it, I've used it. And look at that, it really, really shows. The Bulldog. I have used this thing like crazy. Highly recommend. Again, it's put together very well, and it's just the right length for me. And I think I'm about 5'4", 5'5" maybe. So, that's it. Those are my gardening tools selection that have been tried and true for me. Please like, subscribe, comment, join in the conversation. Let's go on a gardening journey together. Explore some options and don't forget to comment. What's your favorite tool? What's your favorite garden solution today? Catch you in the next one.